Good morning to all those present. We welcome you to the second edition of the KED Model United Nations. We're excited to have you all be a part of this conference and participate over the next 3 days. With the pandemic overshadowing many of our day-to-day joys, we at Kunskap School in Gurgaon look forward to the little things. Organizing KED MUN19 was an exhilarating experience for our school. And although we're all far apart, we hope to connect via this virtual platform and grow new ideas as we experience the digital world. We take it as our mission not just encourage the ideas within young minds that surround us, but also use their knowledge and proficient discussions as a source to fundraise for those under duress during these unfortunate times. In light of the pandemic, we believe it is our duty to contribute in any way we can. Therefore, we will be donating 50% of our proceeds to Rahat Gunj in their relief efforts for those affected by COVID-19. Now, I would like to call upon the dance students of grade 6 to 8 who specialize in dance to perform a fusion performance of Indian classical and Western dance.
Het is ook live op YouTube, zie je het. 57 participants. Even kijken hoor, maar dan moet ik eventjes... Participants, more, rename.
Wat moet ik doen?
Even kijken hoor.
Zijn we nu begonnen, toch?
Ja, ze doen nu een dans.
Oh. Zeg maar een energizer.
Ja.
Ja, download hem dan. Er zijn ook nog wat leerlingen die geen Zoom hebben.
Hi, sorry, I'm just going to request all the participants to please mute themselves. We are not able to actually play the dance performance that has been prepared. Can you all please mute yourself? Thank you. Thank you. Team, over to you to again play the dance performance. Thank you.
That was truly beautiful and deserves a loud round of applause. I would now like to call upon Kunskap School in Gurgaon's head of school, Ms. Sabrina Talwar, to share a few words of encouragement with us.
Thank you, Gauri. Good afternoon and welcome to the second Kunskap School and Model United Nations simulation hosted by Kunskap School in Gurgaon. It gives me great pleasure to welcome delegates from schools in Delhi, the National Capital Region, and our network schools in India, Sweden, and the Netherlands. The MUN is a powerful experiential learning tool across the education institutions world over. The various resolutions passed at the prestigious MUN conferences across the world are consolidated and passed on to the United Nations as youth opinion. That is the power your voice and opinions have. In addition to increasing your awareness, this experience sensitizes one to global challenges and the challenges faced by a global leader. These are difficult times with the pandemic, which has become a global issue in less than a year. On the other hand, there are long-term concerns such as climate change and global hunger, to name a few. May you negotiate and articulate with conviction. May you negotiate and articulate as agents of change to make a difference to the world with your ideas, actions, sensitivity, and perspective, that you, as the youth, have a contribution to make to shape a better tomorrow. Welcome once again, and I'm excited to be among all of you and be part of the discussions over these 3 days. I would now like to invite Gauri Raj Kapoor, a member of the Student Council and key member of the KED MUN, to introduce our distinguished and highly decorated chief guest, Lieutenant General B.S. Jaswal.
Thank you, ma'am, for leaving us with such a beautiful thought. We're honored to have amongst us retired Lieutenant General B.S. Jaswal as our chief guest. He is an epitome of professionalism of his service during his set standards worthy of emulation by all and sundry. He rose to the second highest rank tenable in the army and was the army commander of one of the most prestigious, powerful, and largest commands in the Indian Army, i.e. the North Command. I would no longer make you wait. Welcoming you, sir. Sir, you're on mute.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your endorsement. Mrs. Sunita Nambiar, Mrs. Sabrina Talwar, Mrs. Ramneesh Batra, Mr. Kunal, Mrs. Cecilia Aronson, I believe all have joined. I'm not too sure. Members of the faculty and dear students. You students are the future of a country, as also the steel frame of a country of tomorrow. I would extend my effusive gratitude to the CEO for giving me this opportunity so that I could aapke saath mein mukhatib ho sakun. Now, since challenges fuel our determination to win, this conglomeration under KEDMUN 20 is there so that we can weave ideas for tomorrow. For the next 3 days, the students are going to wear hat of leaders of the globe and engage in discussions which are of utmost importance at the national and the international level. 2020 has been a year of challenging narratives, but with your perseverance as also focus on panaceas to address these complexities, we have come up with various solutions. Now, in this very direction, looking upon the agenda of the committee that are part of KEDMUN 20, it shall truly be intriguing to choreograph and evaluate possible resolutions that you will endorse during the course of your discussions. Such platforms are very appropriate to initiate baby steps leading on to giant leaps, focusing on the rationale of a right direction. While you collectively brainstorm, remember one thing: negotiations, ensuring cooperation, and thereafter leading on to a common consensus is all within your domain. Make sure that the infirmities which exist as of now are all foreseen. They are amputed through focus. Let proactivism be a driver, an engine of consensus. To quote our ex-Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, he said, we must respect the impatience of the young. I feel that this impatience should be laced with logic and momentum, which would be the embodiment of change to bring about evolution. That is the aim of your meeting today and for the next 3 days. This is precisely what India has to offer to the world. Sustainable well-being. And you will be the ambassadors of this message as you go on to build a legacy for generations to come. Well, 2020, there has been unprecedented global pandemic. There's been hegemony. There's been conflict zones, which has induced struggle, hardships, and unemployment. There has been a steep decline in economy on account of these infirmities. Therefore, it is axiomatic that through your wisdom, we change the adversity into opportunity and format a vision which would be dramatic and bring in generational shift, oblique outlook. Intend your tomorrow. Lay postulates for a new world order. I think this would give you impetus in your discussions which are going to take place. Before I sign off, I think I wish you all the best and wish KEDMON 20 all the success in its endeavor. Thank you once again. Have great meetings in your KEDMON and come up with solutions. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for that encouraging speech. Finally, I would like to call upon our Secretary General, Soumya Pandey, to declare the conference open.
Good afternoon to all those present. I'm honored to be the Secretary General of the second edition of the KED Model United Nations. We are proud to welcome you to this conference, which we hope you will all learn something from and carry with yourselves for a long time. Even during these difficult and strange times, we are thankful to be able to have this online platform to continue such interactions and experiences. Through this simulation of the United Nations, it is our hope to inculcate a sense of respect and appreciation for diverse cultures and their experiences, an understanding of the importance of collaborative decision-making and deliberation, and awareness about the intricacies of such processes and the importance of working together despite the obstacles. We are excited about the lively debates, collaborative deliberations, and solution formulation which will take place over the next 3 days. It is our sincere hope that you all walk away from this with a deeper cognizance of international organizations and an increased sense of respect for such institutions. With that, I, Soumya Pandey, Secretary General of KED Model United Nations 2020, wish you all good luck for the next 3 days and hope you enjoy this conference. With that, I declare this conference open.
Am I
I believe Gauri is having a technical glitch with respect to the internet. So I thank you so much, Soumya, for that speech, for declaring the conference open. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Sabrina, ma'am. You all may proceed to your following committee sessions. Thank you, team, for that lovely performance that was just put up. And I wish you all very best for the deliberations that will take place for the next 3 days. Thank you, everyone.